mighty. Hey, Akero. Eniya ye zaga zaga, Baba oh mi ma fa. Iya ye ligi ligi re to, Baba oh mi ma fa. Eniya ye zaga zaga to, Baba oh mi ma fa. Eniya ye ligi ligi to, oh mi ma fa. Baye, Ire, Gana Yoba, Boy, Nago go Wabo. Let me have Baba oh, do me ma fa. Eniya ye ligi ligi do me ma fa. When they be wala wa ga when they be society here to do zige mo wa wala ho wa si ekoto wa supa koto wala wo. Okay oh ibi adonu zomo ibi so na we awe mi make ni aya zere oya me be rie music ni be jo din aga be ga ho oya me be rie yo so ibi adonu zomo wa hia wa po we wa bava wa bota wa bebe nege ihai wa hia wa lamogun we latin avena. Please, my brother, my sister, help me to share this video. Invite your friends. Invite everybody to come and listen to this program today. So help me to share the video, like and subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you do that, God will bless you. Please help me to share this video everywhere. Invite your friends. Let this video go viral. Let this video get to our people in Benin, in Edo State, so that maybe they will still pick something from it. Thank you very much. People should help me to share this video. Invite. I'm on live. Invite. Thank you very much. Let's go to the topic. The topic of today. I just want to talk about Edo State, the security of Edo State, about our brothers that they are killing themselves in Edo State. That is why I come out today. Thank you very much. Help me to share this video. Okay, let's go there. Ibi Edo nous sommes. Ibe iladian ve o tana. Ina we be do gwan kan. Ikabe fie kere be foa. About 2 days ago. No concern ibi women. Because of where iyobe ro ni ma iriye gbera wo ni so we ni ma ya be outside ke no ro wa ke no ro de. Okay na ikobo ikugbe. Na ebe na ya move wo ni oda o ihe da doge ya ije. Because of where aye ko ya o wa. Ma hia wa we maybe ma rewebo e ma hia wa aje forever o. Ma hia aje forever because if you are host ma ma na be re ma emi obe si ma ni ma na be ade ewu yan ma na be do ito ta be ewu yan. So ma hia wa ta we ma hia wa aje forever. Ma hia gba isi no bie that doge ya me family that doge ya me ya. So ma hia wa we ma na hia wa ewu ma forever. So we have to join hands together na ya to le women iji here or see any that doge ya na be ladian na be strong go so ya me ya iladian ni be do iri ebudekere ni be tami be women because women eboni ogarun opa is for everybody ba here no owa gbogbo owajo ara doki owa ajo maybe later that doge ya epo no be iri owa so ma here wa hun wa be na be age na be set be wu be di ma be ya social media no be ti no be mi o be gun abo o be gun emi nu why go be wrong that doge o be toge emi na o wrong o emi na o ma wrong emi na ri okay na we ne boni aya ima that doge ya iji we ne doga manu se luga ma ma ya ji wala wo so emi no gba ya me ya ladian ina we because okay ne ma ya ko bo ikugbe because no ya ila ba ni ge iri mage Obaseki emi wugan ya ho ni aga wo ya ka moge ni aka ya we sas ya ka we money were ni aka we money re ya be do ni o ma be gba usaloba na be je ko ya mu ya wo ni okay now awa be suo e be yin na ya na iwa be so ya na be fi osisi ya we la dia be do a igbina I believe ge Obaseki ya we ya go fen bet they are not fighting Obaseki they are fighting usaloba no we ni ka o ya go gbina because yan na ni ladiana do agbo egbin agbina na iso yan ni aka ya we ni ya prepare for emi ni ahan tewu no because e ma oro toto because mi me be ye ni aresi yan e money aresi ni bibie ka yan ihin eni hin wa ye wa decide we yan wa do take yan wa take law yo bi yan ni amu osisi ladiana ni agbina do ba ni igugbina me ma be wa ni agugbina because oye na ge e ma oru we e ma ni kokon oro to talking yana because we me ya study we me ya ge imu pare ge mu ne ge we ti bie kana ti awa ge iladian emi o si emi ma oru we so oni o ya me ja ladian we because owe o ma no bie area we o ma no bie area we o because we no ije na ya mu bie ya mu ya iria because eni iye gwa mera tv bie kana ya ladian ya do amusisi ni agbegbe agbina we wo because of Obaseki na iwe believe maybe some people have understand where Obaseki na we do ma be na we oni e matter no we again so what I may understand where or where I say to ekenemiji that is ekenemiji I say ya ali obe because okay can ma understand where bie kana yan luyan tia luya no wine or we ma no kokon or to tiana na me gbin ado awe show me politics no because ya ma we wala tian kedere ade ya ma we latian awe we den election of phone this the only way ni awe ya ya latian me bi ado iwe anything ni awe certain election gbera na we ne so there's nobody no here where e ri here certain where in ase gbedomu aso yin so advice na me be ge etimani pe atimani ku no re wa because all these boys in the do agbina na when you ala wa dia ka be tabe my video emi ni ya vio ni ya agbina do ma gian o mama gian o eke bi ya we o anything ni ari yen when you ala ni avie me ya yoto ano me gia ni ame so ya ga mu ya wa ka ya hu nere bi kobo pin ni ari no wa do ya agbina so do wa anybody no giwa ya mu wa be ku a wa be time ya we ge mi no sunu so ikata e na we anybody no we o me no mu ye wo no mu ye wo we no lati ya no do ta we ge mi na o mu ye wo this is the reason na we mi na o ye lati ya do ta because Edonia we ni me wa be bege be no de dem nekere because iya iviere iya o take care because ave be the police lo iya vio the police give me ropa na na ye tia he de gbe be organize over he na ya me we ya de gbe be do sun iya mu vio sisi ya vie me here so individual o the citizens to be iya o nwini a police because okpa ni me mie we no de we no sunu we no de do na sunu area opa bodo opa ya wa mo bo wa je so ya mu ya na agbe ya na no ta because information ni me wa me ni me be hon nu e di boy be no ya agun owe yin ojiga yin hin masien gelegele masien owoji owe yin hin owe yin gele wara so yin hin asati sin yin ra de ke yin na be no de ko nara owe wo pa ba ni yin nara unu gba ewe owe 5 years oje na ni ekewe owe every time ya iwe area ni yin na wa be operate okay ya be no we they be no they ke una mi osisi ya duzana ya we mi na ogweri ono ge obopa ovi ori eni yen na we no eni oboni don ya ogwe eni oboni ogwe ma on ya na wa o ma no vi no ri osisi no ya anwina nu ya igbele ma nu ya iwe mi tan wo so lu mana yen ni ogwe ma ni yen na be ni kedokere oye wo okogbo we ba ni okogbo tai ma meri ya pa ba ni owe area ni owe yen kere ewo ni yen kere ona be su ni ra ona be su ni the boy ma be sien o o ma be sien owe oji yen hin but e ma o igien go ma ni enwu nana owe ne no ma woro pa be ba ni owo bo owe no owo bo we no owe ve ni amu yen na owe so owo do vie mi ya no vio ni yen ya nwi na owo vie ya ne be gbien you know ona wa italo ibani ohia ya lajan ina we ni meta we iana enwa ori yekian because owo agbe yin mo na fi an na e bi so ma egbe yin ni o ma egbe yin ni wo ti gbe gege oye azu wo ti eziba mi ana hin because ohia clean corruption you go to the root because even ogiana even ori yekian oswe ni obo ni awe obo ori osisi ni na mi obo awegbe na obo ya le ya awe mi tan ya vi osisi ya vi owa ya ge money ya awe mi tan isho pastor bi ruwe so ekeni ya attack na ya ka so de me be oni ya mo se ba de oto ya mo ne no bo ne I believe ya mo ne oworo pa bi ba ni woni o mo sisi ini ni ya awe mi ni ewu maybe oni obe ko kian de ya boy be guy I believe o ya meta ba we eva or ye kian ti en wa gege wa ladian ni ado awe ni awe ma ye kian how can you be ka ne gege yin ladian do agbina do agbelo ma o we ran me ye ke e gaka obi o na fie catapult ona fie won abo no so e won ege no wa okun ene e to wa gege wa ladian wa do afie e catapult ni o ma okun ene na we no ya fie e ye na gele ya fie so erio ije nuwala wo mi opa ni megi oni gi itabo because ahia agbe mi ahia vue ran ezie ana vue anado avie afia wo ezie no ye di ni ye daji ama ton ne kai ni are na ton ne kai ni are ran ye de the same problem ni ahia ya mi the same problem ni ahia ya are ba ni ya fun ba ni pa bore. Please, you people should help me to share this video. Write your comments. You have your right to write your comments. Write your comments, your own opinion as you feel, as you think about this video. Try and write comments. Try and invite and write comments. Write your opinion. You have your right to write your opinion. Write whatever you want to write. There's no problem. Please help me to share this video and write your comments. Subscribe and like. Thank you. So, on your email, because you know or because iwa wa mi yan ni mebere ni ayemu yan igbin aroba igbin arewo but imagine ya gbin but when ya mention ya gbin awa ni are gbin awa because wa do gbin o ma no gbin oye nuwe oye na mi we agbe mi gege emi no ye gbe emi no ruwe ken ni oye re ba ni amaya finish e eri o mini wa na gbin awa that is the only advice we oni be ni ani amuya ni ana gbin ani ama we na gbin awa ti torture yan wa torture yan ni make na gun but wa muya handle yan the police wa handle yan ma no ke wa handle yan because e ba ni yan ya agba ni atoma no gin that is the only way to clean the country because wa igbe wa where the code uri ayi wa na agi me the code agi me wa no gie ati you get agi me wa no gie already ohune ni hen do to ma no gie o ma no we gie ni ogogo we agbe wa you understand so matter your clothes ayeti do igwa ni yen do mu so wa mu yan wa na gbin wa gin awu wa gbin yan mo wa ma gbin because me ni awu we ni ya we obi o kan wa ga mu sisi ya agbele ma wi yan ari awu wa was ti torture yan but wa gin awu ni make na ye gun ni agun ni ate emi no sunu o ma no gin yan we ni ya we he so oni ho ni be ita nuwa ila ogogo nuwa la ogogo e security no re eboni nuwa la o si eni na iladian nuwa make sure we e security ore eboni I agree with you. So eri abeni ga itade banwa ila wowo na make sure we a security ore eboni because when ogije nania eri ima veri oni ona mi wa bitu so oni oni be itawo then ina be le ma na be rie ibu debe ina be do ogwe emi ma be igun that is our family Edo family because emi no sunu I be we my video ina we because Edo family ya koke omo se so the only way ni aya make sure we a fight no re na be na aya I fight their family no be mo na so agaro na ma believe so poverty wa we ro we sorry to say poverty or why we don't know see it na ya na jina and most of these people no we na egbobi ohan eyan that's when me dana egbobi ohan that is what I believe eyan that's when me dana egbobi ohan eyan na isun ti wa gege wa re dege na wa so na ya musisi obe family and area vision no bien wa ni akere mata na kesun because omo anwa de uga we awe mi no wu we no ya for lay up we what they will do now ni Allah ari ogwe a family because of why stage stage yo ha then don't sending why stage stage yo ha why stage and me family a family ni Allah ke ni vi ari je no gi mo sisi no gi mo no we ari ya ari abo wa na o we ari abo na gbin na bi ra moto na bi ra na bi je na bi family from A to Z we ari aiwa so ni agbe their family ni ata la ni ivian ni ego we mi dana ni ala ni avian la dia because iya I can hold the responsibility even also no be dona because iya ma cooking ase date iya cooking ase ma sure ivian adokin o son po no do iya dokin tiger yana dokin public disgrace ivian gihin it's a very big disgrace to the family ni bieli na imo because a public disgrace iya gihin na so ni ala ho Edo family no eri emegbe mo we ni ana no we mi dana no we ari awo wa na ni avivian ladian ni ayata govin yen na oro akoboku gbe dole boji because we ni agbina na ni ya ladian afi osisi o wa na de gbe wa mama no hun egbo o ma ni we hin agbe o ya de gbe o ma no be sikowe neni ji an no be ele an no be ya de gbe so na akoboku gbe na e na ya dole e bo ni ji so their parents ma area vision no bien no ego bien ego we mi dan we no die ladian ni egbin awa ni avian station ni aya neata emi no see ni ave ko boku gbe ni na ave arrest na ni ave ko boku gbe ave ma no we rototo ni ame so yan ta ni agun so a family do area vision I can hold the responsibility of this nonsense ni adona because iya okoke iya gun ave ro wa be bani. And secondly, o ma no be ne owa ona amo owa then onari anybody jo wa okeri o ma ni no ri wa ni no gwa lo to ya wo ma no hin because onari o ma jo wa o ge we o ma no ri jo wa ni de agbe maybe opa o even una no una but we no take keke no je o ma no gi wina o ma no gi me no na ri jo wa no o me ke no na wina before we came wa ne this way na we ya clean a corruption so ke mo wa na unota guy no we de ke na wina de bi nu or tama maybe or ya ivie bere or ya tag na na wina we make sure we ege wa no tama when it's not enough any guarantee we make sure we your investigation we make sure we e mata egele no ke no tama we na wina ni o gele wina ba o or egele wina ba o the we be that's everybody make good one now ero mo bijomo de ba e man no we reto wa be na wa we gba koto so everybody have to join hand together now we na here solve this problem to pick up these people na via here ladia because why allergy te o wa e yan stage o wa an vie akedomi egwe yan pa yan do ya we ni awo yin ege we mama wa dey advance 7 years because a matter is very easy. It's very easy that way bono. It's very easy to solve. My document láti bí ere kedomi láti ologo. Iyan contact me because of no ya we mi dan no yara o call man. O call we ide o me kini mana mi gbe re ma ya jiko na ge mi ma ya o go man ma ya o the reason ma ya na iyan explain nu iyan you nu ya kakini awie. Eri oje. Only that mama e dey advance 7 years which is abaseki no ma we ne boni oya push ego dawo e obaseki e oji ni ala ogogo because avi yana ya wire stage ahia fish yan la is very easy neni ani we call day sisi yan we call day ni ala ogogo emi no sunu anybody a rent no rent jo wa no it's very easy or ro mo bijo mo no biomo inu emu no me awe mu na ni anwina awe tama we document na ri ni ya is something I had to be one in our local way. O mana o men name o gimuna no wina gimi no ge movement ge school no jo o se jo magijo eri no is a local way our way in our local way wa be me we o emi na na ya be so a corruption so we reduce eri okay no ga ije ti me ile ekpeti na na ekpeti on tara na do iri ibude gero mo bijomo no redu ni alawo ni alihe woni wa because emi ekwe mi teme ni na ya hin because ematia ogba over the wall ne ematia ogba over the wall ne onagi na ritale ma o ma no erin eseti kokomo we ne ge bie wa ibie ne yan dokin a public disgrace yan hin a public disgrace yan hin a family ni akeladian a disgrace yan re la family ni oni e mata no rugwe because ozan we va ni opa na ri ejo because economy oge wo ni eyan ho ni ati an setting o e va no gian e si an setting e bi ka ni megugun e ma no gian no rugwe e ma ni kokon no rugwe mata na no gian na because bi ka na gege ladian ni ado agbina yen he gege ladian ni ya agbina because omomo ne kere no ke no because yan iwe ne yan yan regulation yan vian ladian ni ado agbin oni mi ya science na ime mi no gi move yan ladian na ime we yan gi gbe na attack police iwin na mi na ni aga riot ni awen aga awu e ba ni ala la ba e ke ni na kun mi aga iwe ne de ni ife ladian ni awen ni stop sas mi he stop na stop police we all over the world eteniku why they make na na we stop police ya why they make na we stop police we wa the police all over the world okpa most of them okpa yan no we corrupt your ruwe no ma corrupt your ruwe no we mo salobo ne we mo salobo we ruwe esuruwe o mo salobo we ruwe it's all over the world ona sunu Nigeria ni okpa ona sunu wa be police no corrupt. You go to US and see what is going on there. You go to US and see their police. Veni age. Veni a corrupt here. Veni age. A police na owa gege wa kwoma. Onyo owi ni ani o iya wa we o ha. Owa gege wa kwoma ni. Owa kwa gbugbu. Maybe owe no mudi a o eto mi weapon obo ma mi osisi obo ma mi opia obo ma mi ropa obo. Owa kwa maybe o ka iya ka suspect Ye wa kwe South Africa mo boy mane ku ya mo bo wa oberi oni. Ye wa kwe ogwe no ni fi bo du mo ni gele fi bo du. We no wa fi bo du no wa fi sisi ne. O wa gbe na gba ame. E US no wa sunu. There are many of them a police no correct. I make energy. Even with Europe, that na iya working ale, but na wa mo si la den ya wa ko han ya gbe. But America, you go there and see what is going on there. New York in the police ni a we ba ni. So I make a police most of police iya corrupt. But only ma justify where you na wa close the police. Police na we na close ni ya. Abi ya na ya na te no te ave igele mi no te ru widi ya na de gbe velade. Because ya te be kama ya te de fon pa na de gbe velade. Ah kai police yi ro ni no do disturb ya. Ya na velade ya na ya ige police station. No ni amuni o wi ere no so no ya ge police station. Ve pa. O wi o mu ere jo idiota. Ya igwe ni ya we police yi ro ya na velabo. Yana vio sisi yana vie mi yana gire station yana vie ya ya gwe magbina yana velabo. So I make a police no corrupt je here few of them no but if you ni no be corrupt ni we be no be mu o ga America o is enyo be there yana be do invent me because e bo we mi pa emi asu ni invent ogwe ibi epogo afi popo ni no ya gbin ya fi dini amu weje. Eri ebo ya we mi we are planning it dan ya prepare emi no be kigo na ya be mu we akobe na ya mu we ni ya kingu na mema they have to go and do na we ni na pin yin agbe. So any police no operation emi ni pin yo egbe ni all show office. Yes, all show office yan emi no ya wo emi no we movement ya fefe yan do pin emi ni enu yan ri wo ni a camera no e die guya. Then any place no really gari ya beg him down ho ya do we me down do we me si we no ya so no e wo kan judge the camera na fisi your uniform ni on you kan judge we give no e tision. So e America na be do prepare ni na be ya kingu na be no ma only that mama e dey advance say a level ni no ha do awe e gbe mi very oni o say ni mana me problem e ti ani wa dey atogbe atoge yan kin no. I been an instrument I tracking her down. Ya munia. So my let our local way of doing things. I already made a taban since my instrument. Na ya munia. I would like to instrument here now. Na ya munia. To na instrument heto we kan ya tune. But since a light you don't here with baby on their local way of doing things. Then having man ro wa yan ho de ni dun waje. Don't know much. I have a polo when I have sitting no boham baby. I had it no way na go John way, we mana. So ya la wani, uno manoro wana, uno monohi, unwinania, they have to do it our local way. They do their own investigation. Then the police give you Latin if you are here. Now ya fish have been and I have a fishing la de wuvuni yani a lazy, nothing a latia. The peace making a when the progress making a lag because when they are doing all those things. A progress a live very only. Nane ya we amosisi we ri ono ya gbina. Okay, investors in ori day e ya we kan aku. E ti ya setting. Because I will na gbina na there nobody that over ya na ya digin aji. We are do invest e ye boni. Then ya na we condemn human being ya kan ye. Ya igbina ya bi wa. Ya igbina ya bi wu. Because me bege ke no mana we ga amosisi we ya agbo ma. Yen igbo ma ni ave gbin yen wa ya me yen na wa ye gbin na tun ni gbin afian ave yen na ye gbin afian ave no ogbo ma ave no wicked no ogbo ma ni ogbe mi ma ni obi de no be wu ave gbin yen wa because of no ogbo ma ave gbe wa yen ya wen ye gbin yen afian me gbe be ni de is the fault of the appearance yen aseti kokomo we ni age bie wu kian wa ge wa bie is share to them ave ro mo jomo no bin ana. Because egbo bi o han o ken wa ya ribo le ani be bege ni ave show ibe mio iya ye gie okpa 9 years ye no ke 12 years no ke no de wan ro na 14 years oji e yan wi ara e yan jo no ke ga mo no ke yan we wa ya do no ke wi ya do idomi de ba tomatoes nene mi na ya do mu bread ya do mu ni do mu ni yan na be no wa na le wi na ye na ya le when I learn now, where have you? But a bomb already only or ya do me view, where Mary go no ya there. Where no where the canona me. I can't just understand our people, eh? Many yako komo ebe boni. Ube no ebe bona mi e domi no dole. Be na mi go wo leba any ne e wori go no ya dore. Or we do leba. So ye abandon charge e yan ya hin. Iya na no do awe koto na abandon charge e yan hin. Ta abandon ya. Da ma abandon e na ije na mi we life here is useless. So anything the e yan you near ya live. Obey the parents or Georgia me ya la dan we na we Edo family. Okay, iyan hold with responsibility of iyan na. Iyan ni nyai mona e metal. Iyan ni nyai mona no we mi dan no rie no me a public disgrace. Ni ari gian jere aviji no bi iyan public disgrace na ari gi. Oni o mata no we okay ni ma ite mata. So wa ila wo na koboku gbe. Na koboku gbe na ya idolewo niji. Ogwe if you see something say something. E arun opa dolewo ji Obaseki cannot do it alone. Obaseki cannot do it alone. Where everybody, all way party. Wa mi dan ya ta report. Ona aro gwa we ma dan. Nuri fa we mana bo ya report. Ere adole woji. Obaseki is only one person. Governor is only one person. President is only one person. We the citizen. Oh, koboku gbe adole woji. Because evani we stage. Da doge ya stage. So okay na koboku gbe na adole woji. Very only egwe governor egwe president okay anarchy igbina isun bewo e da doge ya protect egbe ahin wa se wa na egwe police no governor reba anything governor or president they cannot do it alone. A president hin ala no ya gwale ya or no ya lele ya no emi ya no sunu no it's only one person inwu na no be inwu da doge okeke no we party iri okay no ga ije ni wala ibi edo nuzomo Ozan waga igimari la wa weni aga iri ozan la wa me make ni anakere emi no hin anya ni ado awe rubbish na me awo mani akin wa akin otutu akin wa I just understand that woman akin ekeni akere ni mi na do lion sa gan ye na me we mi o lion hu how can somebody wa mo si ya o ya agbele ma ye e ma no gi we ri kobo ipini ahi no e ma ni create a problem na ni yan re fon pa yan enjoy then wa ne gi e wa iladian wa ya agbina and maybe I will be now. Why must see why I boma? Why boma? Oh, man, not you when you magu, woggle. Boy, that's for area. Only I enjoy. So, no, allow one what change. No, what change? Help me to share this video. Wagumega video na no said do. Wagumega, no, allow. On I message in we already la ni ave do tave utana. Because yeah, get ma or reject. If an origin any, they should start from ave man no we are with minia the bare niwa no raw. The anyone near more when you are going near TV near Gualo. If you not see any other way near you, yeah, we go. But why be our because we are being our wagging mutoy. So, or do I be our no game and the can't any go why we have won him out the head. So why be why make sure where we and the police so that you are tired for the station. Yeah, explaining near me or no game one of your sister near Kenya away. So why we are already on the code near or closive and so why measure was this code near attack? Yeah, with me. Wala, why was say, King, if you do your fefe, why I was say. So when you have a Latin, I have a Latin, police by a Latin, I give you a very hot day, you with me here because you must protect your life. Because that doesn't protect life area, you cannot easy. Wahia we say so we can drop we mana wa baba you wa hin we where your mother we say wa bye ciao ciao ciao.